Hey folks, glad you're with me again. Made it out here to do an overnight this weekend. Weather's about 60, 65 degrees, Indiana, February. Can't ask for any better. Really nice weekend it's been already, and it's about to get better because I made it to the woods. So stick with me and I'll take you through as the evening goes on. Got my coffee cooking. I can hear it starting to perk now, so life's good. Yeah, I'm back playing around with my pump rifle. It's 22 model 392 Benjamin 22 cal. Pretty nice little rifle. It's really accurate. I am shooting at a can lid about that big at, I don't know, 15 yards, something like that, and hitting it every time. Pretty impressive little rifle. Hey folks, sitting out here at camp, brought some reading material with me, and wanted to share it with you. It's called Camp Life in the Woods, and it says, and the tricks of trapping and trap making. Now I want you to see this. There's a lot of these books out there. There are different ones. They're all illustrated kind of the same, but there's different ones that refer to all kinds of things to do with outdoors, husbandry, camping, shacks and shanties. I've got several of these books, but this one right here is just absolutely fantastic with all the different trapping methods and where to trap and how to trap different fur-bearing animals, and just some of the old-timey knowledge that hasn't been used by a lot of people unless you are in some remote area. This book is fantastic. Now I'll tell you, I'm going to sit and read this tonight because I'm not an expert trapper. I've trapped a lot when I was a kid, and even as a young man I did a lot of snare trapping for coon and stuff like that. A lot of leg holds and a lot of coney bears. Back even when I was in grade school, my younger brother and I would run a trap line here on the property, and muskrat, mink, that type of stuff. But you know, this old school technology, or whatever you want to call it, this old school knowledge, it's just about lost. And you know, some of these traps and some of these designs on these traps in here, I would recommend this book 100%, and I haven't even read through only just a few pages of it so far. I got it from a person on Bushcraft USA forum, and you know, it's one of those kind of deals where when I sit around camp and it gets dark, I'll fire up the lantern and give it a read. Won't get all the way through it tonight, but I'm sure that it'll keep me interested for quite a while after it gets dark. So just wanted to update you a little bit on what's going on. I think I'm going to throw me on some supper here in a little bit. Hey folks, well, as you can see, it's kind of dark out here. Absolutely beautiful night. Still hasn't cooled down much at all. What else can I say? It's a beautiful night for camping out in the woods. Well, good morning, folks. Coffee's on. Beautiful morning. I'd say it's about 37 degrees, 38 degrees, something like that. Last time I checked, really nice out. Didn't even get any frost or anything last night. It stayed that warm. Been listening to the geese this morning, just constantly. Some trumpeter swans. They're all on their migratory path up north again. So I'll get back with you in a little bit. Just waiting for my coffee to cook up. Then I'll find something to make for breakfast. Okay, folks, got the old oven going on the campfire there. Cooking me up a little bit of biscuits this morning. Or I guess the biscuits and fried apples all mixed together. But it'll work for a quickie breakfast. I'll pour myself another cup of coffee. Alrighty, moment of truth. Oh yeah, look at that. That's looking pretty good. Don't know that it's done yet, but I'm gonna check it. We got a little ways to go. Well, folks, there's the finished product. Looking pretty good. It's time to eat. Well, folks, I'm gonna make this into a bench. Just a seating setup, nothing fancy. I think I'm gonna try and find a couple of fork sticks and use the fork coming up here and going out this way. So we'll see as time goes on what I come up with. Well, folks, there's the bench all finished up. Nothing fantastic, but by golly, it works. Just an old split off of a tree. The tree actually had split off and left about half the log, so I figured, hey, might as well utilize it and make a bench. thanks for watching. If you like my videos, give them a like, give them a share. Thanks to all my viewers, all my subscribers. Be back with another one real soon.